Well, so here's what's going on. This little piece, a BCM, has gone kaput in the bike. So that's what's been causing my issues all along. We have one on the way to get here and hoping to get it installed before our next ride. So we'll see if this happens. Stay tuned. There's never a dull moment in this household. First of all, let's say hello to my handsome mechanic.
Hello.
So the BCM finally arrived. We're getting ready to install it. So excited. I'm finally getting Kenny back. So here we go. Tell us about BCM. What does it do?
It controls your security, your accessories, your lighting, your starter circuit, your fuel pump, and your horn. New BCM.
So where does the BCM go?
Depends on what model and year. They've moved around from different places. This 2012 Softail, it's in front of the back tire behind a splash pan.
Oh, goody.
Easy to get to.
That looks like a super fun time.
Yeah, it's great. Softails are wonderful.
Why don't you tell us how you really feel, honey? So obviously, this went out on the side of the road for me. Is this something that I could have fixed on the side of the road?
No, you could change it, but you can't program it on the side of the road. It requires a computer to set everything up. Earlier models, when they were just turn signal modules, could be done on the side of the road, but the BCMs cannot.
Well, this didn't seem too painful.
Just another day in the life of a master mechanic.
Now what?
Now I'm going to take it for a test drive off into the sunset.
Okay, so again, I had code 2119 come up on my bike when we diacted, right? How many potential codes are there that could throw off the BMC?
The BCM?
Oh, shoot. Yes, the BCM.
Well, here's the list, and it's quite long.
Oh, so just a couple.
Just a few.
So some definite learning lesson, understanding that this is definitely not something I could have done on the side of the road, which makes me actually feel a little better. A professional really should be taking care of that. And obviously having those tools on your bike is just not realistic, or the part for that matter. Also learned a lot about codes and what they stand for. And so I definitely want to do a follow-up on how to diac your bike, reading codes, so you at least kind of have an understanding of what they mean. Doesn't mean that you necessarily can fix them, but it at least will give you an idea about your bike. So thanks again for joining us today. Really appreciate it, and give us a like, and we will see you guys soon.